Now it's 8 o'clock. Now, you know what my wish is? When the one day I write for the president exams, then I must give that university or college or is a wish college, university or school exams or technicon or bomski that all the students run out during their final exams just before they're going to write the exam as president that they can scatter out there that they wish never come true or that what they started to be the president thing never come true and then you can see in the future why it didn't happen. A bomb skill it's not the real bomb, it's just phone. There's a bomb hiding somewhere in the exam room or on the premises of the school and all the students run out in their final exams. Then you find out so 2 3 years after that why you didn't complete that exams and the reason then you see that was a good thing what happened. That had happened to us in the past many years ago. Here in Cape Town when they used to do the bomb scare. When the bomb scare found the primary school, there's a bomb on the school, all the students must run outside, stand there on the field. The police come with the dog search with the bomb. There's no bombs there. When you come think about it, it's very demonic. Demons that found the school. You must be sure it can maybe even be the principal. Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. I predict that will happen. My wish come true.